you're in Virginia or Zone 7B, right now is a great time to plant garlic. Hey guys, it's November 1st here in Virginia, and it's time to plant some garlic. So today I'm going to be planting 3 different varieties of garlic, and I'll go over those with you here in a little bit. But first I have some garden prep things I need to do. I need to get rid of this old okra that's gotten super tall. I need to go through and kind of till up that earth again and refresh the soil a little bit. So I'm going to go through here. I'm going to do some weeding in the greens and everything, and then we'll get into planting the garlic, and I'll explain exactly step by step the way I plant garlic, and I'll tell you about the 3 different varieties I'm going to be planting this year. But if you're in Virginia or Zone 7B, right now is a great time to plant garlic. I usually wait till about Halloween time frame, which was yesterday, and I'll plant the day after Halloween in most cases, if not on Halloween. But you have a little bit of a window right now. You can plant probably up until maybe mid to end of November, but I wouldn't wait really past mid-November if you have garlic right now. So I got 2 different varieties from Haas Tools, and I just bought some bulbs from the grocery store. I always plant some of those too, just because you can get them for, inexpensive. So it's worth giving it a try, but let's get started. These are the garlic varieties that we have that I'm going to plant today. So I got some Chestnut Red, it's a hardneck garlic, and some Music. Both of these are supposed to be a little bit spicier, and I really am excited to try some actual good seed garlic. I've always just planted this stuff from the grocery store, which works, but I really don't even know what variety it is, and it's hit or miss. So we'll plant some just in case, but I'm really excited to get these going. So let's open these up and see what we're working with. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this chestnut garlic right here. It's supposed to be 4 heads. I haven't opened this bag yet, but let's get these out and see how they look. Look pretty good. All right, let's get these. These are the Music. And then these are just the white grocery store garlic. These look pretty similar here. I don't know, I think this is going to have like a nice red skin, so when we start opening it up you'll be able to see. Music, I'm not sure, but I know it's supposed to be a nice hard neck garlic. And so let's get these busted open. Alright, so I'm going to start out with this chestnut. So when you go to plant garlic,
whenever you go to plant garlic, if you have a tiller, you would need a tiller and till the spot around it so you can dig if there's a lot of weeds. And then you just start getting the garlic out, and most of you just skin it and then just dig it.
Alright, so we're going to start peeling these cloves off. Didn't really mean to take the skin off like that, but you want to leave at least that outer layer of skin like this. It's alright if there's 2 layers, but you kind of want to leave that outer layer. Unlike this one, that kind of came off. It should be fine. But we're going to go ahead and keep peeling these and getting our cloves ready to plant. Planting garlic is actually really easy. It's one of my favorite things to plant. What? So next we're going to be working on this music garlic. I'm getting that busted open. Same process through all of it. So I'm not going to record everybody, but you hear that stem right there basically breaking? That's why they call this hard neck garlic versus this is probably a soft neck right here. Yeah, that's got some bend to it. All right. Soft neck has a softer stalk. That's the stalk of the plant, as where hard neck has a harder stalk. And hard neck garlic is a little bit more cold hardy as well. But pretty much all garlic does good in the cold. So if you have extreme cold climate, you may want to mulch with some straw or something like that. It doesn't really get that cold here, so we won't. But that's that stalk that goes all the way down to the root base, that hard neck. So I'm just going to keep getting these busted open, and then we'll go to planting.
Literally just got done, so we're gonna go plant them, have some fun, and I hope you like the video.
So this is the chestnut garlic. We're going to go ahead and start planting this. So the key with planting garlic is you want to plant it about the same width that you're putting in the ground. You want to put an amount of dirt on top of it. So when you go in there, you're going to put it in there about that deep, cover it up. You don't really need to water these. We kind of just let it rain. But if we have a really dry spell, I'll water them. But you don't want to overwater your garlic because it can rot in the ground. So we're going to go ahead and get these started, and I'll show you how I put them in the ground. All right, so this first one I'll show you guys. This one's kind of missing a little bit of skin, but I'm going to go ahead and dig my little spot here. Completely cover it up. Well, that's too far. And you're going to do these about 3 to 4 inches apart from each other. You can plant them fairly close.
Well, like this? No, I got it.
The grass out there. Hold on. And you want to put, so the root side where the roots were, you want that pointy end pointing up like that. And then cover it all the way up, buddy. Take the grass off of it.
We need to make this smooth.
Make it smooth. Well guys, that's really all I had for you in this video. I just planted 2 40-foot rows of garlic. I did some of the music and the chestnut, and then the regular store-bought garlic. So the front half by me right here, these 2 rows are the stuff I bought from Haas Tools, and then the other halves of the rows are the white garlic that I got from the grocery store. So if you haven't planted garlic before, I encourage you to try it out. It's very easy and it's a very low maintenance plant, and if you like to eat garlic like I do, you can't go wrong. You can't plant too much, right? Because it lasts, it stores for a long time as long as you cure it properly and everything. I have some videos, I think, talking about that. But yeah, if you're in zone 7B or probably even 6 to 5-ish right now, you need to start planting your garlic. Don't wait too long, but like I said, it likes to be in a weed-free environment like all plants do, but garlic and onions seem to be a little bit more sensitive to weed pressure, so make sure you stay on top of the weeds. Good news is this time of year the weeds aren't nearly as bad as they are in the mid-summer to late summer. So we'll go ahead and close out this video, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. I ask it, if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and like the video, and don't forget to share with your friends. As always, thanks for watching.